Hello, I am team member of EcoScript 6. Our problem statement ID is 25009 and title is Gamified Environmental Education Platform. I am here to present our idea and prototype. The core problem is that students have very little awareness of real world ecological challenges. Environmental education in schools and colleges is mostly theoretical, with limited focus on practical learning or personal responsibility. Students don't get engaging tools that connect environmental lessons to their daily lives. To solve this, we propose a gamified environmental education platform. This platform goes beyond textbooks and makes sustainability learning practical, engaging, and action driven. It combines digital lessons with real world eco activities. Students learn through videos, quizzes, games, and real life tasks and earning eco points as rewards. This motivates them to adopt sustainable habits while raising awareness about local environmental challenges. Now, I'll be showing the prototype. This is the code base of the application. So, the application is created using Node.js and Express.js. Let's start the server. Server is started now. Let's run this in the browser. This is the landing page of our application. So, our application consists of three types of users: student, teacher, and admin. Let's log in as a student. Student dashboard will show their progress onto the leaderboard. Through quick actions, they can also access their lessons, quizzes, and tasks. Now, on to the lessons. Lessons contain various resources such as video, PDF, and images. Along with these resources, it also has integrated quizzes. Here, the student attempts the quiz and successfully completes it. After completing quizzes and lessons, student will earn eco points. Along with this, it also has AI integrated doubt clearing chatbot in which student can ask questions for clearing their doubts. So here the question is displayed and the answer appears here. Along with integrated quizzes, it also features standard quizzes. So now came across to the tasks and challenges. These are real world tasks that a student has to complete by performing real world activities. A task has steps to complete it. To earn points, student must submit image proof task completion. Once the task is completed, the student will upload an image along with a description and then submits it. This submission will go to the teacher. After teacher verifies it, the points are awarded to student. This app includes web-based environment videos, games designed to improve student understanding. So here is the video. Finally, on the dashboard, student can see points and rank on the leaderboard. Now let's log in with teacher. In the teacher's dashboard, the teacher can see the leaderboard and also monitor the performance of the students. In quick action, the teacher can create lessons by adding the title, description, and resources, and can also upload a video or video URL. Similarly, in quizzes, the teacher can create quizzes by adding the title, quiz ID, questions, options, and one correct answer. The main feature here is that the teacher can also create questions with the help of AI. For our future tasks, we will add more AI tools for teacher to support content creation. The teacher can also add tasks. Additionally, the teacher can add games by providing the title, description, and the URL of the game. The teacher can also create badges and assign them to students using their student ID. Apart from this, in Verify Submission, the teacher can verify the task submitted by the students and the eco points will be reflected for the student.